Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to protect sheet in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to protect the sheet and set the password before anyone will be able to edit your sheet, you need to make this one action. You need to go to Review tab on the upper side, and after that you need to select this option, Protect Sheet. Then on the settings, allow all users of this worksheet too, you need to select these two options, Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked Cells. The other options should be unchecked, and here on password field we need to type a password which will unlock your sheet. For example, I type here this password and I click OK button. After that you need to re-enter your password and you need to click OK again. After that your sheet will be protected, and now if someone wants to edit your sheet, he will not be able to do it because you cannot modify the read-only cells on protected worksheet for cooperation mode. If you want to unprotect your sheet, you need to click on this option, Unprotect Sheet. After that you need to type your password which you have already set. So for example, I type here this password and I click OK button. After that sheet will be unprotected and you will be able again to edit your file, So how you see it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.